Hello family, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I come up with my rosemary oil for hair growth. It has really helped my hair grow a lot, and I'm going to show you how to make this simple recipe. If it's something you're looking forward to know how and to grow your hair, then you definitely want to watch this video to the end, guys. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump right in it. So to come up with this oil, guys, is very simple. I'm going to be using a fresh rosemary plant, and I just went ahead, wash it well, and then I'm going to dry it up with this paper towel. After which I'm going to put it in a pan, and I'm going to be doing a double boiling method. So after I'm done, I'm just going to place it into the pan that I'm going to be doing my double boiling method. The oil that I'm using to come up with this is a sunflower grapeseed oil. I really love this oil, guys. It's very light in consistency, that's why I like to use it. You can use any oil of your choice. This is the one that works best for me. So I'm just going to place it into that pan and put it into my boiling water. So I actually boil it for like 20 to 25 minutes on low to medium heat. So after which I'm going to show you how it did come out. Rosemary have some great benefit for your hair, like it stimulates and improves circulation to the scalp and encourages hair growth and adds shine to your hair. Due to its antibacterial qualities, it really helps to relieve irritation, dryness, flaky hair, and dandruff to your hair. So I always like to use this because it has really helped my hair to grow a lot. I left it to cool a little bit, and now this is my boiling rosemary, and here is the fresh one. You can see the color in different. After boiling it, you're going to be having this a little bit brownish color. That's where you know your rosemary is ready. So now I'm just going to transfer it into this other bowl and just sifter it with my strainer. After which I'm going to be transferring it into my serving container and add in some essential oils. For the essential oil that I'm going to be adding, I did went ahead and add in my peppermint oil. I don't measure the drops, guys, so you can put 5 to 10 or 15. So I'm adding in my lemongrass oil, my peppermint oil, and I'm adding in lavender oil as well. So now I'm going to add in my dry rosemary leaves. So I did went ahead and put this into my oven and dry it, and now I'm going to just add it. You can see the difference with the fresh and the dry one. So after you're done, you want to try to dry it. If it's not winter where you are, you can put it under the sun for some days, but I didn't have that time, so I went ahead and put it into my oven and dry it. And now I'm just going to cut them and put it inside my oil and leave it until the oil is finished. So you can use this for like 2 weeks. I actually always make this same quantity and I use it for like 2 weeks. Put it anytime you want. Like each time I mostly put it in the morning or I put it in the night. That's how I apply my oil. So the dry rosemary is going to infuse into my oil, and I'm going to be applying it anytime that I want to. So let me go ahead and show you how I apply this on my hair. So here is my rosemary oil and the dry one that is infusing into it. I'm going to be using my oil applicator to apply it. You can use your finger, but since I did have this, so it's very easy for me to apply my oils. So I just use that and dip it in, draw it out and apply it to my hair. And after which I'm going to massage my hair thoroughly. So you want to make sure after you apply this on your hair, you massage it into your hair. And I believe for me this is the easiest way to apply my oil when I have like cornrows. Most of the time I leave my hair into cornrows like this, and or if you have it in braids, so anything that you have on your hair, just make sure you put it under, let it touch your scalp, and you massage it thoroughly. This oil have really helped my hair to grow, guys. The front of my hair was completely gone. I was almost bald in the front, guys, but this oil have really helps me. So guys, you want to make sure you did apply this on your hair if you are losing a lot of hair in the front like me. It really works, guys. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Stay tuned on my channel. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful videos like this, and share it with your friends and family. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.